how to sign up or log into Bitget wallet. So if you want to sign up or log into your Bitget crypto application, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is first open the Bitget app, and this is the interface that you will see where you can tap the get started button. Now if you are new to this, then you can simply choose your email and password, or if you're don't have email, you can also use your phone number and password to create an account on Bitget. Alternatively, you can also sign up using Google, Apple, or even your Telegram account. Now if you want to log in, if you already have an account, you can tap on the login button instead from the top right hand side, where you can simply choose to enter your email or your mobile number, then tap on the next option, or you can directly continue with your Google, Apple, or your Telegram account if you had signed up using any of these. So you can go ahead and select those details, and once you've done that, you'll be able to simply go ahead and you can see enter the password, then tap on the next option. If you forgot your password, you can tap the reset password button to do so as well. So I hope that this video helped you on how you can sign up or log into Bitget. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.